Wood has been a dominant material for furniture making for centuries, and its popularity continues to endure. There are several reasons why wood is the preferred material for furniture construction, including its versatility, durability, aesthetic appeal, sustainability, and ease of maintenance. If metal furniture is exposed to the sun, it can get quite hot, making it impossible for you to use them. This is not the case when using wood furniture. There are several office and home furniture types you can make from wood. Hello reviewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of office and home furniture ideas you can make from wood. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. We want to have maximum versatility when choosing a construction material for our furniture projects. One of the primary reasons why wood is dominantly used as a furniture material is its versatility. Wood can be easily shaped, carved, and molded into various designs and styles, making it suitable for a wide range of furniture types, from traditional to modern. Different types of wood also offer different characteristics such as hardness, color, and grain pattern, allowing for a diverse selection of options for furniture makers and consumers. In addition to its versatility, we also need durability in our furniture so that we can use them for several years without worry. With this regard, wood is also known for its durability. Especially if you choose high-quality wood, your furniture can last for generations if properly cared for, making it a long-term investment for many homeowners. Moreover, unlike other materials like plastic or metal, wood furniture can be easily repaired or refinished, extending its lifespan even further. The natural beauty of wood grain and texture adds warmth and character to any space, creating a sense of coziness and elegance. That's why wood furniture is highly valued for its aesthetic appeal. Whether it's the rich tones of mahogany, the light hues of oak, or the rustic charm of reclaimed wood, each type of wood brings its own unique charm to furniture pieces. Another important factor contributing to the dominance of wood in furniture making is its sustainability. Wood is a renewable resource that can be responsibly harvested and replanted, making it an environmentally friendly choice for furniture production. Many furniture makers today prioritize using sustainably sourced wood to minimize their impact on the environment and support responsible forestry practices. There are also several scrap wood furniture project ideas which could be made from waste wood from other projects. This further ensures sustainability as you do not need to cut new wood. Furthermore, wood furniture is relatively easy to maintain compared to other materials. Regular dusting and occasional polishing are usually all that's needed to keep wood furniture looking its best. Minor scratches or dents can be easily repaired with simple touch-ups or refinishing techniques, ensuring that wood furniture retains its beauty and functionality over time. Safety-wise, furniture pieces made from other materials could have sharp edges, which is not suitable for all floor types. For example, sometimes metal furniture could have poor finishing with sharp points at their base. It could scratch the floor or even grate it. This is not a problem when using wood furniture, since mostly the floor material is stronger than the wood. It is not easily damaged by the furniture. In general, wood's dominance as a furniture materials can be attributed to its versatility, durability, aesthetic appeal, sustainability, and ease of maintenance. These qualities make wood an ideal choice for creating timeless and enduring pieces that enhance the beauty and functionality of any living space. Whether it's a classic wooden dining table, a sleek modern desk, or a cozy wooden bed frame, wood furniture continues to hold a special place in the hearts of consumers and furniture makers alike. If you look around in your home or office, you can see several wooden furniture pieces. Well, dear viewers, there you have them, our hand-picked office and home furniture ideas you can make from wood. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you have enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.